Three teenagers are preparing to stand trial in connection with the death of Hall County Deputy Nicolas Dixon. Jury selection for the case started today. The sheriff's office says in July of 2019, Deputy Dixon attempted to stop a stolen vehicle thought to be connected to a series of car burglaries. It led to a chase that allegedly ended in a shootout between Garcia Solis and Deputy Dixon. Deputy Dixon was killed. Garcia Solis was hurt but survived. Days later, several teenagers were arrested in connection to the case. Two of those teens are charged with being party to a crime. Solis is charged with felony murder. 500 potential jurors are going through selection today. The court called in small groups throughout the day to comply with COVID guidelines. They're hoping to wrap up selection tonight.